I gotta go. This is not good. I'm out here, middle of nowhere, and I gotta go number 2. Where's the tree? There's the tree. Hey, what's this? Thank goodness. Oh. Woo. When you're out here off grid, you know, it's good to have ways to relieve yourself. So today we are gonna open the Trelino Evo. We're gonna set this bad boy up. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna see what we got in the box here. It's hard to believe you can actually fit a composting toilet this light and this compact. I mean, it only probably weighs, I'll say 20 pounds, maybe at the most, if even that. Okay, so let's see what we got. What we got here is we got the seat, obviously, the lid. We've got a container. Here. We got a lid. How to. And these are obviously some bags. This is probably for the liquids, I'm guessing. Now we got another lid here. Okay, so it says, welcome to the Trelino family. We're happy you have chosen our product. Trelino is more than just a mobile composting toilet. It's your freedom to go just like you're at home. Feeling on the road, your conscious decision for sustainability and your personal statement against chemical toilets. And this is why we wanted to get this type of a unit, is because we are off grid. We don't have any water coming into our camper. So this seemed to be the perfect idea for us, where you don't have to use electricity or flowing water to make it work. So this is what it looks like on the inside here. We'll put these guys back in. Okay. It says instructions for using your Trelino. Our composting toilets can be used mobile as well as permanently installed. For mounting, it may be necessary to drill into the material if you want to mount it. I don't think we're going to mount it, but we might in the future. In case of a permanent installation, please make sure the toilet has a firm stand, is sufficiently secured during travel, and cannot fall over. So the first step is to place a bag in the solids container, and then place 1 cup full of litter into the bag. And then we're going to put liquids in the front, solids and toilet paper in the back, and dispose of hygiene products separately. So we'll place 1 to 2 cups full of litter over the solids after each use.
So this is a place to keep your
So we got the lid, and that's going to go over this when we transport the urine bucket, right?
And that lid goes over.
That lid's going to go down there.
This one.
Before first use, line the container with a compostable garbage bag. And then you're going to place 2 handfuls of litter inside. Okay, so it comes with these bags.
It's going to be sanctified.
That way there's no confusion on where that bag goes and what's supposed to go in it. Alright, so you want to line that container. Now you want to place 2 handfuls of litter what kind of litter you got there that we're going to try.
Which one do you want to try?
I'd say, was that Cocoa or
Core?
Cocoa Core? Okay. Okay, so we got 2 handfuls. Now, one thing notice is this thing comes out. I'm guessing that's for cleaning, probably, huh?
Yeah, so you can clean it.
All right. So, if you notice, there's like a membrane in here that. Can you see that? Hello, my name is Trelino.
Who is that, buddy? It's number 1.
Mm-hmm.
That's for number 2.
Number 2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put this lid on.
That's the number 2 hole. That's the number 1 hole.
So this is the finished product. So we got some good instructions here. By the way, the price for this is about half the price of a regular composting toilet. This is really cool. I think we're gonna like this, and I'll let you know how it works, what we think. If this video helped you out, please remember, like and subscribe. That way you'll never miss another exciting video. Rocking the retired life. Off grid.
So one thing that you have to remember with the composting toilet is when you go number 1, when you add liquids to the liquid container, you need to use this vinegar to spray that hole after you put liquid in. So I'm going to fill this up. So you want to clean the potty, both sections, and the inside and outside and everything, with vinegar to keep it clean. And then every time you do a number 1, you spray it with some vinegar.
Okay, so this toilet paper is what we recommend to use with the toilet. If you got something better, please put that in the comments. And I'll give you a few safety precautions too. We got to make sure you put the lid on slowly and carefully to avoid pinching your fingers. Don't use it as a step ladder. That could be a big mistake. Avoid direct contact of hands with the eyes after putting the litter in. Trash bags are not toys. Keep them away from children due to the risk of suffocation. And hopefully you can see the rest of these. They're in the handy dandy instruction booklet, but make sure you read those and be safe. All right, and then it's got some cleaning and care, which my wife just showed you what she's gonna do. And I think we're all ready now. We're ready to go.
Gotta go.